In this video, I will be showing you how to make GIF animation like this from PNG images. I'm gonna use Krita. Krita is a professional free and open source painting program. So let's open Krita. First, create a new file. Dimensions do not have a significant impact for this project. Krita will reduce project dimensions at the final render. So click Create. Now I'm going to add images, File, Import Animation Frames. Select all images that you need and click on Open. If you want to render transparency animation, turn off the background. To render an animation with background, leave as is. Now go to File, Render Animation. Also, I'm in the Video tab. The last frame number should be the number of images. In this case, 40. Very important to upgrade FMPEG codec to render high quality GIF. The download link in the description below. Select folder where to render it. The last thing is to set FPS. More FPS you set, the fast animation will be. And hit OK. This animation was rendered at 30 FPS, the older one at 50 FPS. So you can see the difference. If you want to learn how to make some animations, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.